Assalamualaikum students. Today I am going to start the new topic that is crystallization of the same chapter number 7 solution and suspension. Firstly, you should know that what is crystal. Crystals are solid, but not all solids are crystals. Crystals are the most ordered form of the matter. They are 3D or 2D in structure, that is the arrangement of ions, atoms or molecules. Now, what is crystallization? Crystallization is a chemical, solid, liquid separation technique in which mass transfer of a solute from the liquid solution to a pure solid. Means this is the simple way of finding out one of the way of getting the pure solids from that of the solution. Now we will talk about the preparation of crystals of copper. Now I am going to explain you the preparation of crystals of copper sulfate and potassium nitrate, that how we will obtain the pure crystals of sodium sulfate, copper sulfate and potassium nitrate. This is the process in which we dissolve copper sulfate or potassium nitrate into the water. Afterwards, we will heat it on a flame to make it a supersaturated solution. After making it supersaturated solution, filter the solution by using a filter paper. The filtrate which we obtained from it on the surface of the filter paper is the solid pure crystals of copper sulfate and potassium nitrate, and all the impurities and solvent will obtain in the lower side, which is passed from that of the filter paper. Now this is the process of obtaining pure solid by the process of crystallization. As I told you before, the pure solid is first dissolved into the into the solvent. Uh, Pure solute is dissolved into the solvent. Afterwards, heated so the supersaturated solution will form. Then filter it out. The pure solid is obtained at the surface of the filter paper. This is the process of. Now we will talk about the strength of a solution. Firstly, you should know that what is molality and normality. Normality is the term which is not longer used by us, but you should know the definition of normality also. Is defined as the amount of mole of a compound dissolved in an amount of solvent. That solvent is usually water or it may be any other solvent which is used. This is the formula for the molality. Molality is equal to mass of solute upon gram formula mass of the solute. Means you have to find out the molality in this way. About the difference between molality and normality. Molality is the number of mole of a compound present in a liter of solution. Normality of a solution is the gram equivalent weight of a solute in 1 liter of solution. Now we will talk about the molality. Molality it is defined as the number of mole of solute dissolved per 1000 gram of solvent. It is denoted by M. Its formula is mass of solute into 1000 gram upon gram formula mass into gram of solvent, or number of mole of solute upon kg of solvent. Now, what is mole friction? Mole friction of any compound, of any component in a solution is the number of moles of the component divided by the total number of moles make up a solution. It is denoted by X. Its formula is moles of compound upon total number of moles making up the solution. Now we will talk about the percentage. What is meaning by percentage? What do you mean by percentage? This is based on mass or volume of component of solution. It is of four types. Percentage in mass per mass percent means the mass of solute and the mass of solvent. Mass per volume, volume per mass, volume per volume can also define as the percentage component, the percentage of mass of each element in a compound is called as percentage. Now this is the work which you have to do in your chemistry copy, that is what define crystallization, define molality, molarity and normality. Thank you.